Hi you guys, it's me again, Julie, and welcome back to my YouTube channel as always. How are you guys? I hope you've been enjoying this nice weather. It's been a few days like this, so actually it's so hot. It's kind of hot right now. I think it's 26 degrees, so I hope you're enjoying it. I just want to share with you guys this gallery wall gallery that I've made a few days ago. So I have this photo frame from Wilko's. I bought it from there and they are on sale at the moment. It's 10 by 8 size, and if you can see there, that's the one. If you look at their website, it said it's £2, but when you go to the store, it's 2 frame for £3. So yeah, I bought 12 frames. I want to start to put some decoration in our wall, because if you just know, we don't have anything in our wall at the moment. I mean, like downstairs, it's like plain wall. So if you've seen some of my DIY videos in our kitchen, I DIY'd that industrial mirror, so that's kind of like a decoration there. And then this gallery wall that I did, I hanged it on the side of the wall. That's in the kitchen as well. So I just want to show you how I decorated the wall with it. Because I really want to put some pictures, and actually I bought more of that frame, but it's different sizes. I bought I think A2 size and another A4, which I'm going to hang in the landing wall. So I'll do that next time, but this time I'm just gonna show you this gallery wall that I put in our kitchen. And so I want to show you as well what are the tools that we need for it, because I just really DIY'd the mount board on it. I think for me the best place or the best store to get or buy this photo frame is at Wilko's, because they do different kind of sizes and it's a lot cheaper than the others. And I just want to share with you guys, because you might want to do a photo gallery or wall gallery in the future. I'm going to put all the things that I use in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's just start it, and hope you guys stay tuned. So what we have here is some photo frame 10 by 8. So I bought 12 of them, and there you go. Then next we have this A2 size mount board. We have this cutting mat where we can cut the mount boards, and then carving knives, so we're gonna use to cut it. And next one, we have some ruler as a guide. And last but not the least, we have this A4 tracing paper to trace the photo and the mount board, so then we have the right measurement. The first thing I'm gonna do is grab one of this frame and then take this cover off. I'm gonna take this paper, this one, I'll use it as the guide to cut the mount board. So I'm just gonna put this on the side. So I have these clips here. I'm just gonna clip it on every side. Oops. Now I'm just gonna cut it with this knife slowly. So that's how it looks, guys. So I'm just gonna cut 3 more of this and then we'll jump on to the next step. So everything's now cut. Now for the next step, the reason we have tracing paper here, so then I could trace the line from the photo. Photo here. I'm just gonna use this ruler to trace it. So what we need is 2.9 centimeter in each side, same here as well. So it's now cut, guys. Now let's try and see if the picture would fit in it. So that's how it's gonna look like. Hey guys, I've already finished cutting them. Now I think it's time to put them on the frame. The reason why I've only done 4 is because I've already done the rest yesterday and I just want to show you how I do it this time, so at least you have idea, you know, how to do it. Well, this is my way, how I did it, so yeah. Now I'm going to put them on the frame. Put them now on the frame. So this is the one over here. So what I'm gonna do first, to make sure that it's strong enough or it won't fall, I put tape on the side. So I use this tape. It's Sakura tape, I think. It's like good for scrapbooking and stuff. That side. And then I'll tape the rest of it. So that's what it looks like. This is how I want it in the wall, hang like that. So I just tried to arrange it.
One eternity later.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in with me and I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, let's give it a thumbs up. You can also share it, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click to that subscribe button so then you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye.